Let's now go to pathology. Let's discuss full empty conditions, part 4. Now, a weak pathogenic factor, strong upright sheet. This situation also leads to a mixed full empty condition, which may be external or internal. Although this is a full empty condition in a similar way to the previous situation with strong pathogenic factor and deficient upright sheet. Its manifestations will be quite different and generally milder because the pathogenic factor is weak. An example of an exterior condition with these characteristics is that of a patient with a strong upright sheet who is invaded by a mild external wind. In such case, the clinical manifestations will be very mild, there will be no fever, and the patient will generally be able to work through a condition. An example of an interior condition with weak pathogenic factor and strong upright sheet is that of a patient suffering from a mild condition of dampness but with a strong upright sheet. In this case, too, the clinical manifestations will be mild. In a weak pathogenic factor, strong upright sheet, it's of a mixed full condition, symptoms are mild. If external, there will be moderate fever. A weak pathogenic factor deficient upright sheet, it may seem strange that such a condition when both pathogenic factor and upright sheet are weak is also defined as full empty. It is described as such because although weak, there is a pathogenic factor. This condition too may be external or internal, and the clinical manifestations will be the mildest of the last three cases. An example of such a situation in exterior conditions is that of patient with a deficient upright sheet who suffers an invasion of a mild exterior wind. The clinical manifestations will be very mild and there will be no fever. An example of such a situation in interior conditions is that of patients suffering from a chronic deficiency of the upright chi and the simultaneous presence of mild dampness or phlegm. The situation with a weak pathogenic factor and the deficient upright chi is one that causes the symptoms to linger for many years without getting better or worse. To summarize, the weak pathogenic factor deficient upright chi would be mixed full empty condition, very mild symptoms, long protracted chronic disease, and if external, no fever. Thank you for your attention.